everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. And in today's video, I will show you how you can stop others from saving your snaps. If you do not want others to save your snaps on Snapchat, I will show you the right way to send your snaps on Snapchat. So make sure you watch it till the end, and now let's get started. Once you are on Snapchat, you need to take a picture right here. So this is a picture I'm going to send to my friends on Snapchat. Now, if you do not want your friends or contacts to save your snap, what you need to do is you need to select the timer icon that is given on the right side. And here you can, if you will select no limit, it means they can save your snap, all right? It means they can save your snap, but if you will reduce the time limit to 10 seconds or 9 seconds, or 8, 7 till 1, you can decide for how long they can view your snap. All right, so if you will select 1 second, they can only view it for 1 second and it will get disappeared. They may have the option to replay it one more time, but they can still not save it anyway. All right, so instead of selecting no limit, you need to select the time duration out of 10 seconds to 1 second, and then they will not be able to save your snap that you have shared on Snapchat. So that's how you can stop others by setting the timer on your snap, and they will not be able to save it on their account. So yeah, that was it for today's topic. I hope you found the video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my upcoming videos. If you have any doubts, issues or queries, do let me know in the comment section down below, and for now I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.